Hey guys, this is Atul, and in my close to 2.5 decades of IT experience, more than 2 decades are working as a contractor, working with some of the biggest clients here in the UK as well as in the US and Europe, and charging the premium money, anything starting with ranging from 400, 500 pounds a day in the UK to 500, 700, 900,000 pounds, in excess of 1,000 pounds a day. And last so transition from working as a database administrator to then security architect to data architect, cloud, multi-cloud, AWS, Azure, Oracle, and then containers and Kubernetes. And last 5-6 years been on machine learning, AI, agentic AI, generative AI as well. And there are a couple of trades I've done it, and some things were done based on my actual need and desire to grow, but some out of desperation when I was transitioning to in basically build a company in 2012. And when we had to build a team, I had to upskill them very, very quickly and then place them with working with clients to give them the confidence that we can pick up and do the project. And that's what we did with a lot of clients. And that framework which I built to first for myself and for then to build my team, and then later it started working and been since last 6-7 years been to help hundreds and thousands of individuals. Last year alone we had more than 500-600 guys to transition into high-paying jobs. So I'm coming up with a invitation-only free workshop, but it's a free workshop, but it's invitation-only, but specific kind of audience, because now I want to work with only the premium handful of clients very, very closely. So it's a free class, but only and only if you have more than 10 or 10 plus years of experience, minimum in IT, based in the US or Canada, and either looking to change or transition into AI, or have been made redundant and you want to move on to the job quickly. If these are the two things we need, below this video, I'm going to give a form. There's, as I said, it's invitation only. It's free, but it's invitation only, probably around 2 hours, anything from 1 to 2 hours workshop. We're going to look at how the mistakes we might be doing, how to transition very quickly and get a premium money, leveraging your existing knowledge, whether you're working on data or cloud or infrastructure or leadership roles, or transition from senior leaders to on AI-based generative AI, agentic AI, those kind of roles. So fill that form. We are not accepting everyone, and apologies if we don't accept it, please don't mind, but I need your LinkedIn profile. I need a little bit more details. And if I see that definitely you need help, and if I can help you, we'll invite you that free class or free 2 hours workshop. It's invitation only. So fill that form. Let me know if you have any questions, concerns. The details will be shared with me, and we'll keep secure. Those details will not be shared with anyone. So you can feel free to discuss and point out those things. Yeah, if you have any questions, I'm going to put all these things which are showing the proofs, everything, so that you know that it's a genuine, I've done these things with a screenshot of the guys who got a result, as well as my own testimonials as well that you see on my own credentials. So look forward, fill this form below, and we'll see you in that invitation. Give us a couple of weeks, probably a week or so, anything from 7 to 10 days, and we'll let you know if you've selected or not selected you. It's absolutely free though. So there's no obligation, nothing, but I want active participation and active need so I can help and see and help you. This is a case study I'm working with. Thank you, and thanks for listening. Bye-bye.